So I'm going to teach you how to make videos like this.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. That's how you do it, dog. Hey, clip that. Clip that. They're gonna be out. They're over there. Go, 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 go.
Get the fuck out of here. Nah.
Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Mark Miranda. I am a filmmaker and photographer. I am also the owner of Meet Up and Films, which is a video production company, and what we specialize in is wedding videos, promo videos, business videos, and music videos. So if you're a game streamer, I'm going to show you how to up your social media game in a more aesthetically pleasing way. That way you can generate more people coming into your channel, and that way they can vibe with you while you play, and just show them that, like, yo, it's a vibe in here, come check me out, watch me grow, and go from there. Before we start this video, what you're gonna need is a video editing software. I use Final Cut Pro, but you can also mirror what I'm doing with DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, Adobe Premiere. I'm not necessarily sure if you can do it on iMovie with your iPhone. Sony Vegas and DaVinci Resolve are two free editing softwares that won't cost you a penny, so I would definitely download those two and just try to mirror off what I'm doing right now. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so first thing you're gonna do is open up your editing software. As you see, I already have everything set up, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. So what you're gonna do is open up your gaming channel. I put faming, I don't know why, but it is what it is. So what you're gonna do is open a new tab, open a new event, and then just create it. Final Cut Pro gives it to you as vertical, but what you could do is 1080 by 1920 aspect ratio, and that gives you that full screen on your phone look, you know. So that's what you got to do, but thankfully Final Cut Pro does it for me where it's just vertical. Now basically this is called stacking. You basically take apart a video within the video and create a new video. So it's pretty complicated if you really think about it, but it's super easy, trust me. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna copy the video. So I'm gonna do option, slide up. Now I'm gonna do the bottom video is gonna control the bottom part, and the top is gonna control the top part. What I'm gonna do is drag this, so make sure you can see the whole thing. And what I'm gonna do is just drag it as much as I can. So that's not bad. The second thing I'm gonna do is go to the top clip and just crop that little section out, what I need. That way I'm not getting the whole thing. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in again. Alright, so there's my face. So you drag it to where you think, drag it to where you're comfortable at, you know. And then from there, I'm gonna take the same clip and move it up here. Now I'm just gonna scale it and make it bigger. And then you can drag it out a little bit. So now it'll look something like this. So it's basically that simple, guys. You just gotta mess around with it for a little bit. What I did here was, the first step was I went to, you can see how I took it apart. I took the whole video apart and I just scaled it, made it a bigger. The bottom clip, which is right here, should be your main focus. So that's the game clip. And the game clip, you want to have it centered. You know, you want to have the game clip centered where people can see what's going on, because you don't want to zoom it in and then it's far off to the right or far off to the left, and everyone's like, what is going on, you know? So the best thing for me that works is making sure that the game clip is in the center, and you can basically put your face wherever you want. You know, it doesn't have to necessarily be right up here at the top. You can put it down here, you can put it down here if you wanted to, or you know, up here if you wanted to. But it just really depends on, at the end of the day, that's just personal preference. So you do what you feel like you need to do with that. And yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys found some value in this video. A lot of game streamers post content like this on TikTok, and it's very popular, you know, amongst the game streaming community. This will definitely up your social media game as far as game streaming goes, because people love to see highlights. People just, I don't know. Me personally, I like to see it. It's really cool. But it doesn't look clean when someone posts like, it looks sloppy, if that makes sense. Like, it's a good highlight, but it's sloppy. So what you should do is download one of these editing software if your computer can handle it, and try to do these settings, and watch your content game change a lot drastically. And hopefully you guys can bring in more people so they can vibe with you. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and just let me know in the comment section below what other tutorials you'd like to see. I'm starting to get more into this whole tutorial thing, this whole YouTube thing, because I suck at talking at the camera. Like, I'm better behind the camera than I am in front of the camera, or just even talking to the camera. And I can see why, like, whenever I work with clients, like, people get so like, oh man, like, I'm so nervous, because it's such a nerve-wracking thing. Like, I don't know why, but I just can't talk to the camera sometimes. And this is like my 24th take trying to talk to you guys and trying to show you how to do the tutorial. But anyways, that's enough talking for me, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.
Thank you.